Hi dear Virgos, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading for the remaining days of January 2021. So let's quickly pick your partner's energy and your energy and the outcome. Okay, so right now your partner's energy is the Two of Cups. So basically they are feeling in a soulful connection with you. They are feeling like you are their soulmate, and they are seeing a very good future, very happy go lucky, for happily ever after future with you right now. This is their energy. And on the other hand, your energy is right now of King of Pentacles. So basically Virgo, right now you are focused on yourself only, your own stability, your own finances, your own business or something like that. Right now you are not in this energy of committing to somebody or loving somebody or in a happily ever after relationship or something like that. Right now you are focused on yourself only. So how your partner sees you? Your partner sees you as the Seven of Cups energy. So what they basically feel about you is that they feel that you are confused about something, or maybe they feel like you are a confused person overall. Okay, so Virgo, they are feeling like you are not giving them the proper attention, or you are not choosing them from the options available to you. So they are kind of picking you as a confused person overall. Okay, and how you see them, you see your partner as the Eight of Swords energy. So basically you feel like they are trapped in their own situation, in their own emotions, or they are overly emotional and not able to communicate well without involving the emotions between the communication with you guys, between you guys. So basically your partner sees you as a confusing person, and you see them as a very emotional person, bounded by their own thoughts, by their own emotions. So you are feeling like, okay, although this person is good, but this person is overly emotional or overly self-sabotaging, or they are creating a jail inside of them. Okay, so this is the kind of energy for you guys right now, for how you feel for each other right now. Okay, so what they feel about this relationship, this is the Two of Wands energy. They are waiting for you. Okay, so Virgo, they are waiting for you, and they are waiting for the commitment from your side, the three magical words from your side. They are waiting that you will come and say something to them, and then this relationship will move into something different or something good in the near future. And on the other hand, how you feel about this relationship right now, you are in the hermit mode. You are not taking any kind of action. You are looking into yourself, you are focused on yourself, you are working on yourself, you are doing the inner work. Okay, that is kind of inner engineering thing you're right now doing, Virgo, that I'm picking for you. So right now you are in your own world. Okay, you are into something like, okay, I will go to this person, or I will like go to the love situation, but right now I have to work on myself, I have to focus on my work, on my team, on myself. So right now you are not in the zone of happiness or zone of committing to somebody right now. Okay, so what they want from this relationship, your partner, Queen of Cups, they want love from this relationship, they want commitment from this relationship, they want emotional stability with you, and they want a happily ever after, or kind of. Okay, so basically what they want is your love. All they need is your love. Okay, and what you want from this relationship, you also want happiness from this relationship, you also want a family out of this relationship, but not right now. Okay, this is kind of energy that I'm picking for you, Virgo, that although you want a happily ever after with this person, although you want a happy family or happy communication or wish fulfillment or whatever you call it, but not right now. Right now you're not in the zone of committing to them. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Nine of Pentacles. So although they want love from this situation, from this particular relationship, but I don't think this is working out right now. Okay, so they might be focused on themselves in the long run, or by the end of January 2021 and by the beginning of February 2021. So basically they will be in their own zone, they will be single, or they are waiting for you, and they will be single for you. They will just wait for the right time and the right moment to come to you, maybe, or they are just waiting for you to come to them. Okay, and they are just focusing on themselves right now in the near future. Okay, and what is your outcome? So this is destined to happen, this soulmate connection. This person sees you as their soulmate, and this is destined to happen. This person came to you not by chance but by luck. Okay, there's a difference in by chance and by luck. So the universe sent you this person. Maybe you are learning something, or maybe you are learning some lessons from this person, or maybe this is a karmic soulmate connection, whatever it is, but you are learning from this process, and this is destined to happen. This was destined to happen, whatever is happening with you guys right now. Okay, and so what I can feel is the process, or what we can say the future aspect of this relationship, or I'm not getting the exact word for this, but you can say the literal outcome, or the outcome in the long run, is the Tower. So what I feel is right now this relationship is in a weak situation, and it will break down, or it right now you will break up with this person, or the person will break up with you, or you both will mutually understand that this is not working right now, so let's take a break from each other right now. This is the opportunity for growth, basically. So basically you have to come out of the situation. You have to take a step back, both of you, and the Tower moment is coming. This relationship is going to break, even if it is for a brief period of time, but the breakup thing is going to happen. The Tower moment is there, and the guidance from the universe is the Strength card. So I am picking a Leo energy as well, Virgo. It can be a Leo as well in your life. So the Strength card is telling me from the universe that you have to be very, very strong. You have to be very, very strong emotionally to come out of this situation, to deal with this particular situation, because right now I'm seeing that this is very, very stressful for you guys, both of the parties. So there's no third party situation here. There's no other involvement right now in this particular relationship, but right now you both are not ready for this particular relationship to work out, and you have to be strong enough, both of you. You both have to be very, very strong to come out of this particular situation, and to come to a point where you both are happy. Okay, so Virgo, this is the reading for you guys, love reading for you guys for remaining days of January 2021. I hope it will help you out, and thank you so much for listening. Do subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Namaste.